Hello everyone. So how are you? Today I'm going to show how to fix this Elementor loading issue. So this is a very easy and easy fix. So now if you want to fix this issue, go to your hosting. First of all, you can check about your all server status uh, like Elementor, and here is system info. If you see your PSP memory limit this, memory limit this, then your server info all good. So now problem is I cannot edit this issue. So you can go to Elementor setting. This is a 1 minute issue. Just go to Elementor setting, then go to advanced, and here is Swiss editor. Just you can enable it. By default this option disable. Just you can enable and you can save it. Then you can go to your website or go to any page, for example this page, edit with Elementor, and show this page working, edit fine. Give me 1 minute, just load it. Yeah, this page working all good. You can just reload this page, and this page also working all good. So if you like this video and if you think helpful this video, then you can subscribe my channel, or if you want to hire any WordPress issue, feel free contact me. Thank you.